Tight. You better got it on fucking video.
Nation.
What? What kind of video you want? You gotta ask questions and I answer.
How many goals?
4.
4?
4.
Can you stop
Actually,
walking
maybe
towards the
5.
light? Like, give me a glare. Stop walking that way. What's wrong with you? I said stop walking towards the light, jackass.
Yeah.
Are you proud of your team today?
Hell yeah, fuck yeah, dude. Subs did everything they needed to. We made a couple people upset. Kind of funny. The crowd was going wild.
Yeah, what's your thoughts on the crowd getting told to hush?
Who?
Lucky.
Fuck that shit. Be loud.
So, do you think Aguilar was right when he said you got to start passing the puck more?
Yeah. You saw it. You saw it. We got apples. We got apples.
Don't open the door in my face.
What?
You're too loud. Every game. I have a headache.
We won.
Did Lucky tell you guys to hush?
Yeah.
Maybe you should have.
No.
Smell like a win.
At this point, you might as well just join the team, huh, Mike?
What's that?
You might as well just join the team at this point.
Yeah, that'd be cool. Way better than my team.
Yeah. Might want to hide that. That's gonna get me banned.
I'm tired. 2 games, another W for Brew and View.
How many goals you scored?
I got no goals but 1 assist tonight.
Good, because you know how hard it is to edit. That's so much work.
Peak male performance.
No, we had like 2 goals, right?
I didn't get any. I'd like 2 assists though.
Proud of you.
Thank you. You see my flip past the Bailey?
No.
Pretty tight. You better got it on fucking video.
Hey, fuck you, guy. How many goals? 2?
Fucking birds were chirping tonight.
Oh, yeah. Good game. What is that, 30 goals in like 2 games?
Yeah, pretty much. No.
29?
29, yeah.
Yeah. Absolute heater.
I wish you guys would score like 4 goals and that's it. No much. It's too hard to edit. Gives me a headache.
Good ones to edit.
It took me 2 days to edit the other day's videos.
Hey, that was worth it though. It looked a lot better. I even liked the instant replays. Didn't do it till all, but the instant replay.
I made it
like that
in like 30 minutes.
You're doing a great job. Appreciate it. Tonight?
Yeah, I told him I'm gonna start charging y'all. Just saying.
We're doing an okay job, Not enough for money yet, but we'll get there.
An okay job. I'm surprised you showed up to this game. So.
I didn't think I'd be here.
Give me an NIL deal and I'll pay you.
Oh, okay. We didn't get to do the pre-game.
You know what? I had like 35 goals, and the refs didn't count any of them. I'm pissed. That's all I gotta say. I mean, I scored all the goals, but like they didn't count a single one. So like the amount I actually scored was like a lot. If I had to put a number to it,
I think you do play the most
probably
defense.
like 0.
I do think you try to stop the most pucks. More than
I
White.
do have the most stops mid-ice. Look at the stats.
Yeah, actually, Mensley just made amendments where every time Tommy falls, he gets a goal on the score sheet.
How many goals you have? Like 3, 2?
At least 2, maybe 3. But I don't know, two double-digit games in a row. Fucking.
Like I said, like I told them, it's too many. It's too much editing, too much of my time.
I watched the video today, and yeah, I bet that took a little while. Yeah.
Here's the video tonight.
It's salad.
That's rough.
Yeah.
I didn't get to interview you last game. You had a lot of great plays last game. A lot of great plays this game. You put somebody on the floor too.
Yeah, it's coming back, I tell you, man. After 45 years, or let's see, no, 35 years of not playing, little by little, it's coming back. It's starting to snowball.
You move pretty fast.
Yeah.
Faster than Lucky.
Yeah. Well, that's what we have to maintain. I can still skate well. I lost a little of the stick-handing skills, but I tell you, it's coming back. Every game it gets a little better.
I personally like the father to son pass for the goal. That was my favorite.
All right, man. Thanks.